And here we have what I call game-changing scooters at Muck and Fun. This one is SXT 1600 watt mega scooter, 60 kilometers an hour top speed, range of 45 to 50 kilometers, 1 or 2 wheel drive, 6 speed settings including a turbo button. These are our own personal SXT 1600 watts. So there you go, you got your LED lights, ProLink suspension, lovely build quality, amazing design, serious speed these things, but you can drive slow. And then it has that lithium battery, the top of the range lithium battery, which gives it that mad range, lightweight and high speed. So that's how you fold it, very, very simple. And then just to put it back up, pull the lever, and there she is, good to go. So these ones are $15.50, and they can be financed over 1, 2 or 3 years. They really are amazing, not just trying to sell it to you. As I said, these are our own personal too. They're just the fun and the speed and the quality of the machines is incredible. You literally up and down paths, you don't feel anything. You can't get punctures, special foam filled tires. There's all the crazy shocks and built-in LED lights. Also comes with a built-in alarm system. And this alarm system obviously goes off if you try to take it. But the scooter actually fights against you, so it pushes backwards and forwards if someone tries to nick it. Nice little handy thing for a trip to the shops. But speed-wise, it's fantastic. But you don't always have to go fast, so there is slow speed settings. You can cruise along very, very slowly, 17 kilometers per hour. And then once as I said, you have 6 speed settings. And then 3 of those are in the turbo mode, which means it goes from 1 to 2 wheel drive. Built-in hub motors, no chain, no noise, smooth as anything. We do a 3600 watt version as well, which is 2375, and has a top speed of 83 kilometers per hour. So there you go. I love these, to be honest. One of the best things I've ever bought. Amazing fun. Out on them every single night. Beautiful. And then they're the SXT new model 1600 watts. Just in, they're €999. They have the seat and all for people like that. So these ones are the SXT Ultimate LITE scooter, it's called. 2x800 watt motors. Everything you need. All from muckandfun.com. Also facebook.com, smileyscoot, home delivery all Ireland, €35. And yes, finance 1, 2 or 3 years. Need any info? Just let us know. SXT, smileyscoot.